Today we have pretty unique collaboration, Carrier's American engineering and Toshiba's Japanese inverter technology. Together they create Carrier Toshiba variable refrigerant flow super efficient heat pump, and in this video I'll provide you all the details so you can decide whether this system is the best fit for your home. Hi everyone, my name is Tim Vidurbis, your local and trusted home services provider here in Bay Area, California. And if you need to choose the best system for your homes and family needs, you know where to find us, so let's dive into the video. So we are in Redwood, California. Our client has around 2,400 square feet single-family home, and before they had only gas furnace. So our job was to install a heat pump that provides both heating, cooling, which is quite comfortable and efficient. And we helped our customer to save around $4,500 using tax credit and rebates, which I'll talk about later. So this is Carrier Toshiba variable refrigerant flow 4-ton single-phase heat pump. So this system inside has a twin-rotary compressor, which means that it has two rotors spinning against each other. So this feature helps the system to adjust its speed smoothly and avoid extra vibration, so it helps the system to last longer and provide more precise temperature control. So the inverter part means that the system doesn't turn on and off. It consistently adjusts its power capacity depending on heating or cooling needs. This feature provides more energy efficiency, and this system is super quiet, only 54 decibels of sound, which means it's quieter than a normal conversation. This system provides 21.5 SEER of cooling efficiency and 11.5 HSPF of heating efficiency, which is one of the highest numbers you can find across all the heat pumps. Also, it can comfortably work in a wide range of temperature, starting from -13 up to 122 Fahrenheit, which means that it can perfectly work in California climate and in other states. So inside the garage, we installed the vertical air handler, also 4-ton in size. This air handler uses ECM motor, which stands for electronically commutated motor. In simple terms, that means the fan motor is smart. It can slow down or speed up automatically to keep the temperature and airflow just right, while using much less electricity than a regular motor. The air handler can move up to 1,600 cubic feet of air per minute, or CFM, which is enough airflow to refresh the air throughout medium to large home every few minutes. Even at full speed, this system is super quiet, and the air handler has only 45 decibels of sound level. As you can see, we insulated the plenum. All ductwork here is new, which is also insulated. This insulation helps to provide extra layer to preserve the temperature inside the ducts, and of course it looks way more better. So for the air filtration, we have 4-inch media filter cabinet, which is easy to remove and to replace. We can replace it with a filter up to 15 MERV, which will be hospital quality air filtration. Also, if you notice, here we have our transparent SSU switch. This device will shut off the system in case of water leak. Since we had only furnace before, to add cooling we had to run refrigerant lines, and as you can notice, we covered them with this special line set cover, and we use these zip ties to make sure that the line set is connected properly and secure. I really love the way how we run the ductwork here. Everything is lined up perfectly, all the ducts are strapped and secure, and they are insulated. They look amazing. We are in Redwood City, California, and our customer has around 2,400 square feet single-family home, and before they had only gas furnace. So our job was to install a heat pump that will provide both heating and cooling and help customer to save using local and state tax credits and rebates, which I'll talk about later in this video. So since we switched from gas furnace to a full electric heat pump, we were able to secure $2,500 rebate from Peninsula Clean Energy, and also our customer was eligible for 2,000 tax credits, which is expiring this year from IRS. So in total, we helped to save around $4,500 in tax credits and rebates. And reminder that this year is the last year when you can enjoy the tax credits. However, good news is that there are still a lot of rebates available next year and beyond. So here you can check out the line set that we ran. Our customers specifically asked us to install them on a lower level, so they perfectly match with the exterior and they're a great addition to the whole design. Quiet, efficient and future ready. That's what we call Carrier Toshiba Variable Refrigerant Flow Heat Pump. And if you need to replace your old gas furnace with a modern fully electric system, contact us, Rebates. We are a trusted local home service provider here in Bay Area, California. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.